Every year, over 3.6 million American babies begin their remarkable journey from conception to birth. In just 40 weeks, a single cell transforms into a fully developed human being, ready for life in the United States. At week 4, the heart starts beating for the very first time. This tiny organ, smaller than a grain of rice, will pump blood for a lifetime in America. Early brain development begins as neural pathways form at rapid speed. By week 8, all major organs are present. The embryo is now called a fetus and measures about 1 inch long. In American hospitals, this marks a crucial milestone where pregnancy risks begin to decrease. At week 12, spontaneous movements start. The fetus weighs about 1 ounce and can make tiny facial expressions. Many American parents hear their baby's heartbeat for the first time during prenatal appointments at this stage. At week 16, gender can often be determined with ultrasound technology. The skeleton transitions from cartilage to bone. Across the USA, this is when parents often start planning nurseries and choosing names. By week 20, pregnancy reaches the halfway point. The baby weighs nearly 1 pound and measures about 10 inches from head to toe. All 20 baby teeth have formed beneath the gums. At week 24, hearing is fully developed. The baby can recognize voices and respond to music and sounds from outside the womb. Thanks to advanced American neonatal care, babies born at this stage have strong survival rates in NICU facilities. By week 28, the eyes can open and close for the first time. The brain grows rapidly, building billions of neurons. Premature babies born at this stage in the USA now have a 90% chance of survival. At week 32, the baby practices breathing movements even though the lungs are still maturing. Weight reaches about 4 pounds. American prenatal care intensifies with more frequent checkups. At week 36, the baby is considered full-term by American medical standards. Lungs are mature enough for independent breathing, and the baby gains half a pound each week in preparation for birth. Finally, at week 40, birthday arrives. After 280 days of development, the average American newborn weighs 7.5 pounds and measures 20 inches long. This extraordinary transformation from a single cell to a complete human being is one of nature's greatest achievements, happening millions of times each year across the United States.